Welcome to the backstage of the Zodiac Birthday Bonanza. Today you will inspect and put on a Zodiac costume on the Endo. The Endo is highly sophisticated. It is ahead of its time, definitely for the year 2005. Any damages inflicted upon the Endo will result in a lawsuit from the Zodiac workforce and legal charges. Now let's get started. First by checking the chest. Press the big red button located on the top of the torso. Great job. Great. Great.
You can't hide. And you can't run. You will not escape from us. After what you did. I need you out of my way before anyone else is hurt. I need you to die. Until next time. Faye Marduk.
Now close up the chest. Great job. Now attach the torso and head. Great job. Now attach the arms. And now to wrap it up, attach the jaw. Congratulations. Have finished, Taurus. That will be all today.